So hi, I'm Chris Flannery. We live in Mercersburg, Pennsylvania. So the farm name is Roaring Creek Farm, and we milk 125 black and white Holstein cows. It was originated in 1973. My father and grandfather moved here from New Jersey, and then in 2004 we decided to build a new barn for the cows. So through several years of arguing and debating, we went to see hundreds more barns, and we built a 125 cow tie stall barn. That was 18 years ago, and here we are today. In 2004, we built this barn brand new, and we're actually considering sand for our bedding. And right before construction started, I chickened out on the sand department because of the maintenance and the wear and tear on the manure system. And we decided to put mattresses in for the cows. And we have, over the years, we have used many different competitor mats. Ran into a salesman for Animat, and he's like, yeah, we'll come out and visit. So he comes out and shows us what he had. And they were nice and they worked good, and the cows were comfortable on them, as comfortable, if not more comfortable than the other competitor mats. Our cows stay on these mats 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so it is very important to us that they are comfortable. The cows, the number one thing on the farm, that's the money maker, and it's the main priority. So I do think the Animat mattresses are an aid in the productivity and comfort of the cow. You know, part of the production is getting cows to lay down. Right now, all the cows are kind of standing because we're doing this video, but a lot of times it's nothing to see 80% of the cows laying down, unless it's milking time or feeding time. And as a farmer, that's what I like to see. It means they're happy and comfy. And so yeah, Animat mat definitely helps productivity with cows being happy.